Hi and welcome everybody. It's JB Quick Coach, and today I want to tell you about stop smoking strategy number 9. And it is all about creating a survival kit. Now your kit will be filled with the things that will keep you on track. Things that will make the first 3 to 5 days bearable, especially when temptations come your way to smoke. And for planned activities that you know will be particularly difficult to not smoke in those situations. Now, for some examples are if you need something in your hand. So you might want to take a yo-yo or a squeeze ball, a doodle pad, maybe nail polish so you can do your nails, a ukulele because a guitar is kind of large, or a harmonica, or knitting needles and some wool and knit something together, or a fidget spinner. If you need something in your mouth, throw some sugarless gum or sunflower seeds or mint toothpicks in your survival kit. Maybe pumpkin seeds, or try to find some ice chips to chew on if it gets to be that you need to keep your mouth busy. If you have an intense craving, check your list of reasons to quit. Grab your anchor. Anchors are what remind you of why you are doing this. And the Breathe Easy Bootcamp provides all kinds of examples of what your anchors can be based on your big motivating factor, or the big MOFA, we like to call it. Now, a hint about anchors would be, it could be a necklace that reminds you that you're on this journey to quit. It could be a picture of your family. It could be a song, a verse, or a mantra that you love and that reminds you that you are doing this for you, that you are trying to be your best self ever. Now, if you're going to an event that includes alcohol, that can be a really huge trigger. You might need to take some Nicorette gum or an inhaler to get you through. That's okay. It's still way safer than smoking again. Throw some in your survival kit, and remember that as a non-smoker, you are now part of the majority. And about 80% of the population do not smoke, and they seem to be able to party and enjoy themselves just fine, and so can you. Another thing would be if you're going out for coffee with a friend, that would again be a huge trigger. And so change it up. Try herbal or green tea instead. Maybe order orange juice. It's an excellent option too because it's not usually considered a trigger to smoke, and it provides you with some much needed vitamin C, which is often something smokers really are low on it or require more of, is vitamin C. Include a good water bottle in your kit as well, because the more water you drink, the quicker you will detoxify those lungs. So I'd love to know what you would put in your survival kit. And so I thought I'd put together a little bit of a contest. Share your creative tips and be entered to win a free access to the Breathe Easy Bootcamp. And you'll love this bootcamp. It's got everything you'll need to know to build your own personalized quit plan. I'll be giving away 2 free memberships to someone who lets us know what's a creative idea of something to put in your survival kit. And if you enter before December 31st, you could win free access to the Breathe Easy Bootcamp. I'll be giving away 2 of them on January 2nd. So hang in there, everybody. You're doing great. Join me tomorrow for Stop Smoking Strategy number 10.